Hello developers, welcome to Django full course series. In the previous video, we have created a couple of template files and we have rendered those template files with the views. Okay. In the current video, we are going to pass the data into the templates via views. Okay. We'll see how we are going to pass the data into the templates with the help of the views. Now let's open the one of the view. And here are the templates which we have created in the previous video. And again I'm going to the views.py file. So these are the views which we have created and we have rendered these template files which are there in the template folder with the help of these views. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to pass some data into this template file. Okay, so how we are going to pass this data into the template files from the views. Okay, so to pass the data into the template file from the views, the main basic thing is we have to create the dictionary format. Okay, it should have a key and then the corresponding value. Then once the dictionary is created, then we have to pass the dictionary as one of the argument to this render function. Okay, then the data will be passed to the template file. Suppose let's create a dictionary called data. Okay, data dictionary with the key value as name as the key, and the name is value is Kothayed. Okay, here we have created a dictionary called data with the key value as name and the actual name is Kothayed. Okay, now we have to pass this dictionary to template file. So for that one, we just have to pass data. That's it. Okay, so if you just pass this dictionary as a one of the argument to this render function, then data will be passed to the template file. Okay, now let me open the homepage.html file. Okay, so from the view, we are passing this data dictionary to the template file. Okay, now it's template file's responsibility to display the data. Okay, so by using the template tags, we have to display the data in the template file. Okay, the template tags to display the content is the combination of the two flower brackets. Okay, two flower brackets open and two flower brackets has to be closed. Okay, and we have to display the content, right? So for that one, we have to refer the key value in the dictionary that we are passing. Okay, the key value here is name. Okay, just mention name. Okay, and let me copy this here and paste it here in h3 tag. Okay, just passing it the name. Okay, the name is the key value from this dictionary. Okay, now it should display this value Kothayed in the homepage.html file. Okay, now let's run the server. Okay, python manage.py run server. Okay, I'm just pressing enter. Yeah, I'm just opening the browser and I'm just refreshing it. Okay, see here it is displaying the name that we are passing, Kothayed. Okay, or you can change the value as well here. Instead of Kothayed app. Okay, and I'm just coming here and I'm replacing it. If you see here, the name has been changed to Kothayed app. So this is how you guys can render the data into the template files from the views. Okay, so the basic thing is we have to create a dictionary and we have to pass the dictionary to the render function in the view, so that we have to refer the key value of the dictionary to display that content in the template file. Okay, so that is how you guys can render the data into the template file from the views. Okay, now we have to implement the logic, right? Suppose there should be some logic to be implemented when we are displaying that content, right? So how we are going to implement that logics in the template files? Okay, here Django provides the Django template concept. Okay, by using the Django template tags, so we are going to implement the logic in the template files. Okay, now for example, if the name is Kothayed, okay, if the name is Kothayed, then I want it to be display the name. Okay, if it is not going to be the Kothayed, I want to display some other content. Okay, so let's imagine this is the logic that we have to implement into the template file. So for that one, we have to make use of the if clause, right? If this particular name is equals to Kothayed, then we have to display this Kothayed name. Otherwise, we have to say that it is a wrong person or something like some other message. Okay, that is how we have to display the content in the template file. Okay, now we are going to make use of the if loop over here. Okay, if else conditions. For that one, we have to write this Python code, right? So to write the Python code in the template files, we have to use this template tags provided by the Django framework, which is nothing but the flower bracket, curly braces, followed by the percentage symbol. Okay, here we have to follow the template tags in the curly braces followed by the percentage symbol. Now we have to write the if clause. If this name is equals to Kothayed, Okay, if the name is Kothayed, then this content will be displayed. Okay, now if it is not that name, then we have to have the else condition, else. Okay, then we have to say wrong person. Okay, so here what we are doing is, here we are just checking the name which is coming from the view. Okay, if that name is Kothayed, then we are going to display the name. If that name is not equals to the Kothayed, then we are going to say this message as wrong person. Okay, I'm just saving it and I'm just coming here and I'm refreshing it here. Okay, okay, looking for one of the if condition. Okay, we have to end this if log, right? We are opening this if, right, and we are using the else condition, so we are not closing this end if, right? So that's what it is saying. And let's close that if and if. Okay, I'm just saving it, coming back here again, refreshing it. See here, it is saying that the name is Kothayed. Okay, now let's change this name to Kothayed app. Okay, now it should display the wrong person message. See, wrong person message. So this is how you guys are going to implement the logics in the, when we are displaying the content in the templates with the Django template tags concept. Okay, so here we have implemented the if condition, right, if else condition. Now let's implement the for condition as well to repeat the loop. Okay, let's implement that. For that one, we have to create a array, right, with the list of the items. Let's create one as employees equals to, okay, and name of the employee as John. Okay, and just say the designation as well, designation of that employee, and designation as writer. Okay, and I'm just going to repeat a couple of names. Okay, okay, name John and name Vikas, and who is going to be an accountant, and here another name is Namrata, and designation is going to be developer. Okay, here the another name is Kotha, and who is a developer. Okay, just I'm saving this one. Okay, now we have this employees. Now we have to pass it to the dictionary, right? So here we have to pass employees, and here the name is going to be employees. Okay, so with the name of the employees, so we are passing this employees list, okay, to the template file. So now in the view, let me close this one. So our view is having the list of the employee names and their designation. Okay, and we are passing it as a dictionary to the column data. Okay, and we are passing this dictionary data to rendering function. Okay, now coming back to the HTML. Now HTML file is responsible for the displaying that content. Okay, I'm just removing this one. Okay, now let's say center tag. Let's have some center tag. Okay, so once we have the center tag, now we have to have the template tags, right? Curly braces followed by the percentage symbol. Okay, now we have to say for, okay, here is the employees. Okay, here is the name, that is the employee. For every employee in employees. Okay, let's close this end for loop first before I forget. Okay, end for loop. So the best practice is whenever you are writing any opening any loop, just close that one. Okay, and next we have to display that content. Okay, first we'll have a break. Okay, couple of breaks. Okay, then breaks in the end as well. Okay, now first to display the name in h3 tag. Okay, have to display the name. Okay, what is the name of the employee? This is name. Okay, now we have this for loop, right? Employee dot name. Okay, next followed by we have to say the designation, employee dot designation, and we are closing this data tag. Okay, employee dot name and employee dot designation. So here we are getting the list of the employees as a dictionary called data. from the view, and in the template file what we are doing is we are using the for loop, okay, for every employee in the employees list. So we are repeating that loop, okay, and here we are displaying the employee name and followed by the employee designation as well. I'm just saving this one and I'm just coming back here. I'm just refreshing the home page. Okay, see here, John Wright, Vikas accountant, Namrata developer, and Kota is a developer. I think writer typo, let's check it out. Writer, and I would say that we have a lot of spaces within them, okay, and let me refresh it, okay, and okay, yeah, let's have only one break, that should be fine. So John writer, Vikas accountant, Namrata developer, and Kota developer. So this is how you guys can display the content in the template files, the data which is being sent by the views. Okay, views always send the data in the format of dictionary because we need the key and followed by the value. So based upon the key name, we are going to use that in the template tags in the template file so that the data is being displayed for that value behind that key in the dictionary. Okay. So in this video, we have passed the data from the views to the templates, and we know how to display the content in the templates, and with the help of the template tags, so we can display the different types of data in the different formats. Okay, so in the coming video, I'm going to explain how to install the Bootstrap templates in the Django framework. So please stay tuned to our channel for the more Django videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.